Reversal for Jasmy has started, and in this video we are going to be discussing how high we can expect to go. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one we are going to be discussing about Jasmy once again, because things are looking pretty bullish for Jasmy in the immediate short term, and they are going exactly as I had mentioned in my previous videos as well. By the way guys, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure guys drop a like on this video and also subscribe if you are new, because I'm getting closer and closer to 2000 subscribers, and it would really mean a lot to me if you could get to that before this month ends. Anyways, with that being said, now let's jump back into the video and let me show you all the things which I'm talking about. My trade signal group has helped me make some good amount of money in the past couple of months. I will do all the analysis in this group and give you all of my trade setups so that you can make the most amount of money. As you can see, in the past couple of months we have made profits of about 142%, 350%, and even crazier than that. So make sure guys join my Patreon. The link to it will be down in the description. It's only $30 per month, and I truly believe that the value you will be getting in this group will be much higher than this. So guys, right over here I have the charts loaded up for Jasmy, and for those of you who are new, let me just explain to you what all these indicators are indicating us at this moment. So guys, I personally believe that Jasmy at this moment is forming this massive Elliott wave structure, which includes 5 waves towards the upside. I personally believe that this price point right over here at about 0.0026 was the bear market low for Jasmy for the immediate short term. From this moment onwards, we saw Jasmy pumping up in wave number 1, we saw a correction in wave number 2, and right now we are in this wave number 3. Now guys, I have mentioned this previously on my channel as well, but I do believe that the move towards the upside within this third wave is not going to be in a linear motion. What I mean by that is that I don't personally believe that we are going to be just continue to go higher and higher just in a straight line. Instead, I believe that we should be seeing 5 waves within this third Elliott wave as well, and that is when I can perfectly say that this third wave will be completed. Now, as for my price targets for the third wave, I personally believe we can go as high as up to 0.010, and the lowest target for this wave is located somewhere around 0.09 or about 0.009, 9293, just like that. Now guys, if we check out the the Elliott wave impulsive right over here, if we take this as a starting point, we can practically say that this whole movement towards the upside was just a wave number 1. We came down in a wave number 2 just shortly, and right now we are witnessing this third Elliott wave towards the upside. Now guys, in this breakout, I do expect Jasmy to break above the wave 1 resistance level located at around 0.083. Now, after we reached beyond this level, I do expect that we are going to be retesting this level, and this time it will be turned into a support from a resistance level, and we are going to be seeing some heavy support on these areas. After that, we should continue to go even further beyond this price to a target of about 0.010, and that is basically how I particularly think that Jasmy is going to be moving in the immediate short term. Now guys, if I open the Fibonacci retracement levels, you will be able to see something really interesting happening over here. Now guys, I had mentioned to you all previously in my last video as well that right now we are basically trading at an important resistance level, and we could be going towards the downward, and if we went towards the down, we should have been getting a lot of support at this level right over here at about 0.052. However guys, we pumped up, and as you can see, we are now facing some resistance at levels of about 0.063. Now guys, I personally do believe that if we break above this resistance level right over here at about 0.075, we should be getting even beyond these resistance level right over here into this region right over here. So if we first have to break above this level right over here, which is only a 20% proof from the current price points, if we break above this, I do expect that Jasmy will pump beyond this, and it can practically show us like 50 to about 80% gains in the immediate short term. Now let me show you some indicators, because they are looking really bullish in general. So guys, right over here I have the RSI and the MACD indicators lined up, And as you can see that the RSI basically, got to the top of its range at about 80 right over here, you can see. And right now we are seeing a bit of a fall, which is pretty understandable, because oftentimes when we pump up like crazy, just like over here as well, we often see a correction towards the downside, or see a bit of a consolidation phase until we finally pump up once again. Also guys, if we check out the MACD indicator right over here, you will be able to see something really bullish happening. Now in my previous video, I had mentioned to you guys that even though the selling pressure, or say the buying pressure, is getting lower and lower, we are still seeing some consistent buying pressure over the time. And I personally had predicted that we should be getting a much higher pressure in the coming days, and this is exactly what Jasmy has been doing in the past couple of hours. As you can see, the buying pressure which we have been getting is actually really insane, and it's almost the highest buying pressure which we have got in quite some time. Like the last time we got this much buying pressure was right over here, which was like days ago or even weeks ago. Now, I personally believe that even though the selling pressure, or say the buying pressure, is getting a bit on the weaker side, I do expect that this rally towards the upside is going to be continuing, and we are going to be breaking some important resistance levels. By the way guys, if you want to make some serious money in the crypto markets, make sure guys check out my trade signal group. The link to it will be down in the description. Guys, I'm going to be showing you the monthly recap of my trade signal group, which will mention all the trades which we had taken and the amount of profits which we had made on every single one of those trades. So guys, right over here is my trade signal group, and as you can see that this is the monthly recap of my trade signal group. So right over here, as you can see, we secure profits of about 135%, 69%, 82%, 189%, 300%, 20%, 35%, 67%, 182%, 237%, 138%, 86%. And yeah guys, this was basically what my trade signal group was able to achieve in the past month, actually, in this month of April. Actually, you can see that we took about 12 trades, which if you just count it out, you can say that I take a trade every 2 days or so, and most of those trades have been really profitable for us. And I don't know how much time I can keep up with this, but this month we did not have a single failed trade, and we had 100% win percentage, which is actually really amazing, and something which I aim to achieve in the coming months as well. And I'm sure that if I put in my best efforts, which I'm ready to put in, we should be aiming to reach that as well. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you guys follow the link in the description. It will take you to my trade signal group page, and where you can sign up. It's $30 per month, but as you can see, the value you are getting is actually really insane. And let's say you had started with about $50, the amount of money you could have made in my trade signal group is beyond any of your imagination. So yeah guys, that's gonna be pretty much it from this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure you guys drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and as always, I'll catch you all tomorrow with another video. Peace out.